For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Facebook decides to label violating posts from politicians. Facebook said it will label all newsworthy posts from politicians that break the company's rules. Facebook's decision comes after pressure from its employees and other quarters.
I am committed to making sure Facebook remains a place where people can use their voice to discuss important issues. But I also stand against hate or anything that incites violence or suppresses voting, and we are committed to removing that content too, no matter where it comes from.
Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg said there are no exceptions for politicians in any of the policies announced by the company. Mark Zuckerberg had faced criticism for not acting against Trump's controversial posts. The threat of boycott from advertisers also forced Facebook to review its decision. The stocks of Facebook slumped after several advertisers decided to boycott. A group of employees in Facebook had recently staged a virtual protest against company's inaction against Trump's post. Employees wanted the Facebook to take action over Trump's controversial remark, "When the looting starts, the shooting starts." Mark Zuckerberg had refused to take action against Trump's controversial remarks. Scientists funded by Mark Zuckerberg demanded tough policies for Facebook. Scientists had sent a letter to Zuckerberg over lack of policies to check inaccurate information and inflammatory posts. Other social media platforms such as Twitter acted against Trump's controversial remark. But Zuckerberg failed to act, saying that the Facebook cannot serve as an arbiter of truth. Twitter had flagged Trump's 2 tweets regarding mail-in ballots over possible misinformation. Twitter on Tuesday placed a warning notice on President Donald Trump's tweet. Twitter put a notice on Trump's tweet for violating its policy against abusive behavior. Trump had threatened to use force against protesters in Washington. The Facebook's new policies are not retroactive. That means the old controversial posts will not be removed.
A handful of times a year, we make a decision to ignore content that would otherwise violate our policies because we consider that the public interest value outweighs the risk of that content.
Facebook's decision was welcomed by many, but they say it is a small step against misinformation.